Sit back, relax. Driver, you're clear for dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Welcome aboard this courtesy train from the Magic the parking lot. Our speed limit we're allowed today is 15 miles an hour. That's a 1-5, not a 5 and a 0. 15 miles an hour only, please. Exit our giant parking lot. Follow the white arrows on the ground to get you out there on exit and home safely. When you do get out to your car, if you can't find it, won't start, or any other kind of problems, look for one of the little white SUVs with the yellow and green lights flashing on the top. They'll get you some help as soon as possible. Folks, please step out of the tram lane. Everybody, please remain out of the tram lane. Once again, when you do get out to your car, if you can't find it, look for the little white SUVs with the yellow and green lights flashing on them. They'll get you some help as soon as possible. If you can't find one of them, folks, everybody out of the tram lane, please. We are coming up quickly to our first stop for Hook. Hook will be to your right when we make our first stop. So once again, please remain seated, holding on to all small children and loose articles. Once again, folks, we're coming up to our first stop. Hook will be to your right when we do make that full and complete stop. There you go. Pull up, push out. Have a great night and a safe trip home.